If you're a new mom looking for an easy and safe way to pump breast milk without electricity, this video is for you. Today, I'm explaining how to use a manual, no electric breast pump step by step. What this pump is, 2040 sec. This is a manual breast pump. It works using gentle hand pressure, no power, no charging, and no noise. It's simple, portable, and perfect for home or travel use. How to use the pump 4090 sec. First, make sure the pump is clean and properly assembled. Place the breast shield comfortably and make sure it fits well. Now, gently press the handle with your hand, and then release it. Repeat this motion slowly and steadily. There's no need to rush. Slow pumping is more comfortable and effective. Comfort and safety tips, 90-120 sec. Pumping should never cause pain. If you feel discomfort, adjust the position or reduce the pressure. Stay relaxed, breathe deeply, and take short breaks if needed. Why choose no electric pump, 120-150 sec? Manual breast pumps are affordable, lightweight, and easy to control. They're a great option for new moms who prefer a natural